In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to images. Adding a drop shadow is a quick way to give your images depth, separate them from the background, and make your slides look more polished and professional. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way I'll share tips to help you get a clean, consistent look. Start by selecting the image on your slide. Click the image once so you see the selection handles appear around it. This tells you the image is active and ready for editing. If you have multiple images on the slide, make sure only the one you intend to adjust is selected to avoid changing the wrong element. Next, open the formatting controls. You can do this from the toolbar by choosing Format Options, or by right-clicking directly on the image and selecting Format Options from the menu. Either method opens a sidebar with detailed settings for the selected image, keeping all your adjustments in one convenient place while you continue to view your slide. In the Format Options panel, find the section labeled Drop Shadow. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see all the related controls. To activate the effect, check the box labeled Drop Shadow. As soon as you do, a default shadow appears behind your image. Don't worry if it looks a bit strong or subtle at first. You're about to fine-tune it. Now adjust the appearance so it suits your design. Choose a color for the shadow. A soft, dark gray is usually more natural than pure black, while a brand color can create a stylized effect. Use transparency to control how visible the shadow is. Higher transparency means a lighter, more subtle look, which is often better for clean layouts. Angle sets the direction of the light source. Pick an angle that matches other elements on the slide so everything feels cohesive. Distance moves the shadow away from the image, creating the sense that it's lifted off the page. Smaller distances feel grounded, larger ones feel more dramatic. Blur softens the edges of the shadow. More blur gives a gentle, realistic fade, while less blur looks crisp and graphic. Make small changes and preview as you go, aiming for a shadow that enhances the image without distracting from your content. That's it. Select the image, open Format Options, expand. Drop shadow, enable it, and adjust the color, transparency, angle, distance, and blur to taste. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your images will pop beautifully on the slide.